Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I just want to show you quickly this dried result. This was the chain pull we did last Monday, I think, or last weekend. It is really cool. I don't know if you can see, but it's got quite a bit of metallic on it and really pretty colors. It turned out very pretty. And then the other painting we did was this swipe, and look at that lacing. Also turned out really pretty. It's also got a lot of metallic on it. It's got a lot of gold, and that pink is metallic, so it's also very pretty. Now today we are going to be doing a Dutch pour. So I have some paints here. This one is just white, and I'm going to put a base down of this, and I've watered all the paints down. I hope you can see that, but it is quite thin. Then I have some purple, and the purple has 1 drop of silicone in, and the yellow has 1 drop of silicone in, all watered down, quite runny. And then I've got some Deca 24 karat gold, no silicone in that one. And then I've got some fluorescent orange, no silicone in this one. So just to start off with, I'm going to put the white base down, and then we'll get started. Right, let us start. So I'm going to be putting some of this purple down, some of the gold, some of the yellow, some of this orange, and some more of the purple, some more of the gold, some more of the yellow, some more of the orange, and then just to top it off, I'll just drizzle some more of this over the top. Okay. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. Wow, the colors are amazing. So much gold in the middle here, and that gold has spread throughout the whole painting. And then you get these, I mean, the dark purples, and then these splashes of color, and then the metallic gold. Absolutely stunning. I love it. So once you have blown the painting out, just go around the painting to make sure that paint has gone over all of the sides. And you just pick paint up off the table and dab it on. I'm going to turn it around to check the other side. Yeah, it's all covered. All covered. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. I love it. So I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Hold on a sec. Okay, here it is. I'm going to bring you down. Look at that. Look at those colors. And like I said, the whole painting has gold in it. Really, really cool cells popped up all over the place. Everybody, thank you very much for joining me today as we created this really, really, really cool painting. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Also, please remember, I do have a new website and I still have the Etsy shop open. So all paintings created in this channel are available to buy either in my website or in Etsy. You can go and have a look. The links to both are down in the description below. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please consider doing so and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I do put out 2 videos a week, one on Saturday, one on Sunday. So yeah, be sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And that's it, everyone. I will be back tomorrow. See you then. Bye.